Welcome back to my channel, everyone. This week I am going to share with you my delicious keto low carb granola cereal. Here is what's left of my second batch. I'm done with my first batch. This is my second batch. A few weeks ago I shared a picture of the granola from when I first made it on my Instagram stories, and I promised you guys I would put the recipe together and share it with you guys. So that's what I'm doing today. I made a second batch and it came out just as delicious. I am going to have the list of ingredients and instructions below this video under the description box for you guys. I was only able to get a few clips of me putting the granola cereal together because I haven't had a kitchen in about 3 weeks. I'm getting my kitchen remodeled, so it's been challenging using maybe, you know, my dining room table for prepping, and I was able to use my oven at that time. I don't have my oven anymore for now until the kitchen is finished, and I've been using my air fryer for some things. So anyways, I still wanted to share this granola cereal recipe with you. It is crunchy, it is sweet, it is delicious. It definitely is going to mimic one of those crunchy cereals. My favorite one was Honey Bunches of Oats, and that's what this cereal or granola reminds me of. So if you guys are a fan of crunchy, if you're a fan of cereal and you haven't had cereal in a while like me, this is really gonna hit the spot. So here I go. I'm gonna show you the clips that I have together. Before I do that, please subscribe, consider subscribing if you haven't, if you're new here. If you are already subscribed, share, like and share my videos just like this one, because every week I am going to be bringing you, or I am bringing you, some recipes that are for the sugar-free, keto, low-carb lifestyle. They're delicious. So share with your friends, your family, your coworkers, anybody who loves desserts but does not like to have all the sugar or is following this kind of lifestyle. They're definitely going to enjoy my recipes. So once again, thank you to each and every one of you who are subscribed to my channel and who watch my videos. And here is how I made my keto granola. I'll see you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.